Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Codex in PyCharm. So this is the PyCharms, and first here, you need to go into this AI chat. Click this, then click on this install plugins. So for this one, net should be there because this will do some download as well as install. Now you can see coding agent ready when you are, and this here or there you can sign in to Codex with ChatGPT, or you have the other option. So there I'm going to use the Codex. So let's click on this sign in to Codex, and this here install Codex. So activate Codex agent. Now currently this is installing the Codex inside the PyCharm. This install, let's click on this login with chat gpt account. So click there. Now here you can see this authentication. So you can give your uh, Openai account. So let's use there, continue with Google. Now thereafter, let's click on this continue. So sign into Codex. If you want, then you can close. Let's click on this close. This is now can successfully sign in. Now thereafter here, you can use this AI chat displays. So let's test here. So printing pyramid code in Python. So writing there pyramid code in Python. So this here, searching pyramid code in Python, this is thinking what kind of pyramid numeric a star. Let's give there a star, and now click on this send. So this code that's getting there. Now let's copy this code and pasting there. Control S to save this one. Let's click on this run, and this here pyramid it's now displaying. Now thereafter, let's search here other code. So here give take try code in Python. Now after writing, let's click this send. So this is the TikTok code is there. Let's click on this plus here, add to file. So let's give there copy and paste above codes inside. Now click on this send. So click on this allow once, and here this is added there. Now here you can see this is the TikTok code. Control S to save. Now let's run and check the output. So this here, so here you need to give there 1 to 9 number. So let's give 1, 6, 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, and 3, 4, 5. So player access when. Okay. So this is how we can use this. This is how we can install Codex in PyCharm. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.